Imagine watching an entire forest go up in flames. The smoke clears, the ground is blackened, and it seems nothing could have survived. Then, weeks later, bright green shoots emerge from the charred trees. For the eucalyptus, fire isn't always the end of the story, it's often the beginning. Meet the eucalyptus tree, scientifically known as Eucalyptus globulus, one of the best-known members of the Myrtaceae family, a genus containing more than 700 species. Native to Australia, eucalyptus dominates much of the country's forests and woodlands, but is now cultivated on every inhabited continent except Antarctica. These are among the fastest-growing trees on Earth and have evolved alongside Australia's fire-prone landscapes for millions of years. Rather than simply surviving wildfires, many species are specially adapted to recover and continue growing after the flames have passed. At first glance, eucalyptus appears tall, elegant, and graceful. Many species have smooth bark that peels away in long ribbons, revealing fresh layers of cream, grey, or pale green beneath, while others have thick, rough bark that helps protect the trunk. Its long, narrow leaves hang almost vertically, reducing exposure to the harsh midday sun and helping conserve water. Crush a leaf between your fingers and you'll immediately notice its cool, refreshing scent, produced by aromatic oils stored throughout the foliage. Depending on the species, eucalyptus ranges from small shrubs to towering trees more than 80 meters tall, making them among the tallest flowering plants in the world. Eucalyptus thrives in warm, sunny environments and tolerates drought remarkably well. It grows in a wide range of soils, provided they drain well, and develops deep roots that help it reach underground moisture during dry seasons. These trees are perfectly adapted to Australia's challenging climate. Instead of avoiding wildfire, many species have evolved to survive it, making fire a natural part of their life cycle rather than a disaster. Few trees are as useful as eucalyptus. Its timber is widely used for construction, flooring, furniture, and paper because it grows quickly and produces durable wood. The leaves are distilled to produce eucalyptus oil, commonly found in medicines, cough drops, cleaning products, and aromatherapy. Eucalyptus forests also provide vital habitat for wildlife, especially koalas, whose diet consists almost entirely of eucalyptus leaves, despite their natural toxins. For tens of thousands of years, Australia's indigenous peoples have relied on eucalyptus for tools, shelters, canoes, and traditional medicine. Following European settlement, the tree's rapid growth and adaptability led to plantations across Africa, Europe, Asia, and the Americas. Today, eucalyptus is one of the world's most widely planted tree groups, though it remains an enduring symbol of the Australian landscape. Eucalyptus has one of nature's most remarkable relationships with fire. Many species develop thick bark that protects the living tissue beneath from intense heat. Hidden under the bark are dormant epicormic buds. After a wildfire destroys the canopy, these buds rapidly produce new branches and leaves, allowing the tree to recover far faster than many neighboring species. Some species also release their seeds more readily after fire, giving young seedlings the best chance to grow in freshly cleared ground with plenty of sunlight. Even these giant trees are flowering plants, producing nectar-rich blossoms that feed birds, bees, bats, and many other pollinators. Eucalyptus grows best in full sun and well-drained soil. Young trees benefit from regular watering, while mature trees become highly drought-tolerant. Because many species grow rapidly, occasional pruning helps maintain their shape and size. Choosing the right species is also important, as some remain compact, while others eventually grow taller than nearby buildings. Eucalyptus is harvested mainly for timber and essential oil. Plantation-grown trees are carefully managed because they mature much faster than many hardwoods. For oil production, the leaves are steam distilled to extract the aromatic compounds responsible for their distinctive fragrance. Sustainable forestry practices help meet global demand while protecting native forests and wildlife habitats. The eucalyptus tree proves that survival isn't always about resisting nature. Sometimes it's about adapting to it. By evolving alongside fire instead of fighting it, eucalyptus transformed one of nature's greatest threats into an opportunity for renewal. It's a remarkable reminder that resilience often begins where destruction seems to end. What plant would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to discover more fascinating stories from the plant kingdom, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.